it's Bree the Coupon Queen, and happy Sunday. I wanted to share with you guys real quick before my CVS haul the different coupons available to print on coupons.com, as well as a really quick, amazing moneymaker that you guys want to do as soon as possible because the rebates, there's not that many left, so they will be disappearing probably before the end of the day. So if you go on coupons.com, this is where I get all of my printable coupons, or the majority of them. There's a few coupons that you might want to print. The $1 off CoverGirl mascara, $1 off CoverGirl lip, and $1 off CoverGirl foundation. If you have the coupons from the 12/8 inserts, they're a higher value. They're $2 value. But I didn't buy inserts that week, so I'm going to be printing these off. There's also digital coupons available on CVS on your app. I'm not sure about Walgreens. I'll have to take a look at that for you guys. Kellogg's cereal, save $2 on 4. Kellogg's, save $1 on 2, but this is only on the Frosted Mini Wheats or the Raisin brand, so just keep a look at that. Let's see. General Mills, save $1 on 3. Walgreens, there is a $1 off 2 digital coupons, so that would be a better deal if you just use the digital coupon. Luden, 75% off 2. That would be a good one to print. We should be seeing some more deals on Ludens and Halls. I know there was supposed to be a Halls coupon in the insert today. Everywhere I went, they didn't have any newspapers at all, so I don't know if they maybe just kind of missed my region, or if that one insert today was a regional insert. I'm not sure. I wasn't able to get it today for the Smart Source that was supposed to be available. So just check your stores, see if you guys have it, and make sure you double check your newspapers before you purchase them, if you are purchasing them just for that insert. Nestle Coffee Mate, 50 cents off 1. Let's see, not that many good coupons today. $1 off on Miss Myers. Publix does have a deal 3 for $10. You'd be able to use 3 of them, so that would be 3 for $7. So that's not a bad deal for the Miss Myers soap right here in the middle. $1 off Purell, that's always a pretty good one. Most of the time they would be on sale for $2.99. Use the coupon, you'd get it for $1.99. A lot of Gerber baby foods, so those are pretty good value coupons. You have Allegra, $4 off a 24 count. And that is it. So definitely a slow week. It is right before the holidays, so we were expecting to get that many. Next week, we should probably be seeing quite a bit more because that's going to be the last week of the year. So now let's go to the amazing deal that I did real quick this morning. So it is at CVS. An update on my coupons. They did print. So the first time I typed in my phone number, it said that same printer error, see an associate. I typed in the phone number for my mom's account so that way I could print her CRTs, and hers printed. Then I went back and tried my phone number again, and then it printed all my CRTs today. So I was super excited about that. It was working. So fingers crossed. I know some of you guys were commenting on my video that you were having the same issue. It should be resolved. So let me know in the comments again if it's not working for you guys so we can try to get that figured out. The Revlon instant coupon is a $3 value, what we were expecting. So that is a pretty good coupon, especially if you're doing the tools. I haven't checked to see if it excludes the beauty tools or not. So I will double check that for you guys. So this is the really good moneymaker for you guys. My store was out of the 5.7 ounce, the smaller bottles of the Nivea lotion. Those are $4.99 at my store. So if you buy the larger bottles, it still winds up being a moneymaker. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up 2 of the 16.9 ounce lotions. They are $7.79 each at my store. I used a $2 off digital coupon. I wasn't able to print the ones on coupons.com when they were available, so I only had the one $2 digital coupon. If you have a 3 off 2 coupon from previous inserts, that would be obviously a higher value and save you more. I had a $2.25 off 10 lotion CRT. Then I used a $4 off $10 purchase CRT, which was super, super amazing. I got that texted to me last week on about Thursday that I was going to have it available for this week. So that was awesome. I paid $7.33 out of pocket, got back a $5 extra back. Then on checkout 51, this is the deal that is going to be expiring really, really soon. It says there's already not that many left. So I don't know exactly how many they're allowing, but there's not that many left. So you're going to submit for $2 back on each. Final cost is free plus a $1.67 moneymaker. So really, really, really good deal there. Now, if your store does have the 5.7 ounce available, here's the math on that one, winds up being a $7 moneymaker. I wish my store had that one available. They did not, unfortunately, but that's okay. So you would pick up 2 of the 5.7 ounce lotions at $4.99 each. You're going to use the $2 digital coupon, the $2.25 off 10 lotion CRT, the same 4 off 10 purchase CRT if you guys have it. So you would pay just $1.73 out of pocket. Then you're going to submit, you're going to get the $5 back in extra care bucks again. Then you would submit the $2 back from checkout 51. Final cost is free plus a $7.27 moneymaker. So I wanted to share that with you guys first before I finish my haul and get that posted. That way you guys don't miss out on that checkout 51 rebate. If you guys are not familiar with that app, it is linked below in the description box. So make sure you guys download it and use that referral code so you can take advantage of this deal before it expires. If you guys have any other questions, make sure you guys drop a comment. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.